everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm still nursing my throat here. I've got my tea down here that I'm drinking to try and soothe my throat. Been hacking up what felt like half my lung here this past week. I got to watch Brady win the Super Bowl from bed. So anyway, I'd like to welcome you all back to my channel and thank you all for the well wishes and from my grandma and all that kind of thing. So let's get into it. We're here to look at my Try Beauty box. It is in collaboration by Porcelain, and just in case you don't know, I have slid open just the bottom here. Just so you know, Try Beauty is a bi-monthly box. It does cost $34.99, and you do have to pay shipping as the parent company is in Canada. Billy is the owner, and so Try Beauty is based in Canada. And since she took a couple weeks off late in the middle of last year, I believe it was, the boxes have been getting better and better and better. So anyway, I just wanted to also read to you the little note that we received in our email when we were told that Porcelain was going to be the collaborator this month. Let me read what she wrote. And if I can find it, there it is. She wrote, "I'm beyond excited to bring this collaboration with Try Beauty Box to the world. I've been fortunate enough to be on YouTube for 3 years now, trying to help people embrace who they really are without judgment of feeling like an outcast and trying to help promote cruelty-free brands. If you are one of my followers, then I hope I made you proud, and if you are a subscriber of Try Beauty Box, thank you for supporting a good company. We all have our safe space when it comes to makeup, and this box is an amazing way to try out some new things that maybe you wouldn't have before. Play with color, try new things, and overall just have fun with it. XO Porcelain." So I'm looking forward to seeing what she's got in store for me in this box. So let's get into it. As I said, I did slit the bottom already and open it up here, and this is what it looks like inside. You do get all your products in here. Normally there's other stuff in here to help protect it, packaging and whatnot, but I'm gonna set this down here. So here's what she looks like, Porcelain, and as I said, this is her collaboration, and it is a bi-monthly box. So if you don't get this box, the next box that we would receive is what, February, March, April. We would receive it in April. So let's get started. The first item I see in here is by Masquerade. It's 2 sheet masks. It's 2 hydrating facial sheet masks. One is Beauty Restore, Nourish, and Relax. And the other one is the Detox Diva, Cleanse, Exfoliate, and Detoxify. And the back of them are in some foreign language that I can't read, but we all know how to use masks around here. So basically it says, every day your skin loses essential moisture and nourishments while you prepare for your beauty sleep. Our super hydrating Beauty Restore formula, infused with argan oil, superfruit extracts, green algae, and vitamin E, goes to work to restore, nourish, and relax your skin, leaving it silky smooth and supple by morning. The cool effects of the sheet mask helps to relax facial muscles, easing the signs of stress, fatigue, while natural lavender oil relaxes your body and mind. Sweet dreams. And that's so cute. And this other one is Gone Are the Days of Using Harsh Scrubs and Drying Clays. That's why I don't like the clay ones. They tend to dry out my skin. I like sheet masks, and I like the ones that I can put on and actually peel off my skin, as long as it's not a harsh peel. This says, "Our Detox Diva Hydrating Sheet Mask, formulated with natural cerebellum oil, seaweed, and green tree leaf extracts, help to minimize pores, Absorb impurities and protects from toxins and free radicals without removing your skin's essential natural oils. That's very good. So it's going to keep your skin happy and hydrated. So I always love me a new sheet mask. The next item is the item that I was looking forward to in this box is the Block by Suva Beauty. It's the Block Party eyeshadow palette. So let's open this. Having a problem getting in the box. So either I believe they've sold out already of the Block Party palettes. They're now giving everyone a saffron palette. So the Block Party is a colorful 10 shade eyeshadow palette for a bold, wild, and playful. Here you go. Here are all the 10 shades. As you can see, it comes with a nice mirror. And these are some pretty nice shades. So let's take a look at a couple. Let's look at Popsicle, this pink one right here, Drunk Love, this Flash Mob, and let's do Nacho. Here's all the colors. They look pretty pigmented to me. I'm gonna put them right here. See if they're buildable, but they look really nice. And then let's do, how about this lemonade? No, dancing shoes. We'll do the purple. Wow, look at that purple. They're very pigmented. It's very obvious they're very pigmented. I don't know yet about the kick up or anything, but they look getting powder all over. So it's a very good palette. I like the colors. It's going to be something for me to get used to all those bright colors, but I'm game to experiment if you guys all are. So let me clean this up a little bit. Get this off. At least it doesn't stain like some eyeshadows do. So put that aside. I also, let's see, how much was the palette? The palette was $30. The saffron palette's $35. The Masquerade Detox and the masks are $6 for the two of them. So that's not a bad price. The next item is by Luxie Beauty. It's their Flawless Eye Set. So this can go with the brushes I received in the BoxyCharm from December, all the other face brushes. This one has 4 face brush, or eye brushes rather. It's the mini flat angled, the mini tapered, the mini angled, and the mini round brush. So there you go. Love getting into those. You know how much I love brushes. The next item is by IBY Beauty. Here it is. It's just a black box. It's a the Flawless Eye Set is $30. I'm forgetting to tell you the prices. This here is a liquid to matte lipstick, $12. This is in the shade Berry Berry. It's a really nice shade. I had already done this box once already, and I put it on my lips. It's a pretty decent color. I actually like it, but I will show it to you again. I'll put it here on my arm, so we'll get to see if it dries down to matte. So there's the shade. See how nice that looks? That looks really, really pretty. I actually like that shade. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And we're going to leave this here on my arm, and we're going to see what happens. The next item, I told you that's $12. The next item is by Wander Beauty. It's their Glow Ahead Face Oil. It looks like that. And we'll get that out of the box. Here we go. It's what it looks like. And we'll open this up and see if I can get a smell out of it. Put a little bit. It drops out. Look at this dropper, you guys. It just drops out. Drop, drop. There we go. And we'll massage it around. See how glittery. See, there's that. Can you see the it's all this right here. It's really glowy. So you can put this on before you put on that, or mix it in with your, I guess you can mix it, let's see. I don't know. Can you mix this in with your, it is a signature blend of 8 powerful yet lightweight beauty oils that instantly restore young skin's youth, balance, and glow. That's nice. So this is worth $48. That's a lot. So let's see, what's the value of the box? What I really like out of this box are the eyeshadow brushes, and that's $30. This is $48, so 30 and 48, that's $78 right there. The next is the Block Party eyeshadow palette. That's $30, so that's another $30 on what did I say? $30 and 48, that's 78 plus 30, that's $108. Then this lipstick is $12, so that's, what is that? I said it was 108 was where we were at before, so that's, yeah, 108 plus the 12 is 120, right? Plus the $6, right? $126, is that right? Is my math right? Please let me know down in the comments down below if $126 if I'm right. I think I'm right. I forgot to bring my calculator with me when I went to go film. So I think this is really well worth it. I only paid roughly $34.99 plus $5 for shipping. So roughly for $40, I got $126 worth of products. I think that's a thumbs up. Now let's check this here and see if, yeah, it's not dry yet, but it is bleeding. So I'm gonna wipe this off. But thank you all for watching. I hope y'all are having a great weekend, having a great day. Been watching Masterpiece Theater on PBS. I don't know why I've been watching PBS for some reason, but been watching Poldark. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, hope y'all are having a great evening, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.